Hey everyone, it's your Hobbit hiker here again, and today I've got a couple special treats, mostly for me. But first of all is, because it's a little too warm, I've decided to ditch the cloak for today, but I am in full medieval tunic gear, so that'll be a lot of fun to hike in, see if it's actually breathable. Secondly, I'm going all the way to the waterfall in the canyon this time and back. So I won't be doing any camping until we get back from the waterfall. But once we do, I'm going to have a nice pot of ramen that I'm going to make. And then the best part is, if you've been following me on my Instagram at all, you'll see that I got a couple new tools and one surprise that I want to try out today. So stay tuned. First up is my Wizard selfie stick. And it works like this. Now let's get started. Okay, so you guys already know about my bushcraft knife, but we've got two more things today. One is my new seasoning pouch. I've got just so many little seasonings, but the real treat is my new hand axe. Now this is the Beavercraft bushcraft axe, made by the same people that made my blade, and it comes with a honed edge. But mine had a slight burr, so I had to fix that at home before I brought it out. But what I really need it for is to process as much of this as I possibly can. But I really need to get rid of all this wood. See, I didn't chop any of this down. Most of these were green trees a couple weeks ago, and when I came out here to pick up my site, I found a bunch of them chopped down. I don't know who did it, maybe some teenagers, maybe someone trying to pretend that he was a bushcraftsman. I'm certainly not, but it was really irresponsible and created a massive fire hazard. So that's why I'm out here. I'm gonna do lots of small controlled burns in my little campsite to try and just protect this place that I love. All right, without any further ado, let's get started. Now normally if I was doing this right, I'd have a nice thick round stump to be bashing this wood against, but gotta make do with what you got. Oh, and the wood wouldn't be so green and in other cases punky. That. See, all the punk just explodes. Most of this wood still needs a cure for a while, so I did what I could. Now I'm gonna get started on cooking some lunch. chopsticks. Let's try this out. Well, that's it for me on this one. I'll catch you guys next time.